In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VS Code on MacBook. So first, in your MacBook, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website and just open it like any other app. The layout is basically the same as Windows. Explorer is on the left and Editor in the middle and Terminal at the bottom. The biggest difference between the two is just the keyboard shortcuts. For Windows, it's Control on your keyboard, and for MacBook, it's CMD or Command, and Alt on Windows is Option for MacBook. So, for example, if you want to open up the command palette on your MacBook, all you have to do is press CMD or Command plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. And to open a folder, simply click on File at the top and click on Open Folder. Or you can also just drag a folder directly into VS Code. Extensions, themes, and settings all work the same. All you have to do is go to the Extensions tab in the left panel. So it's this four square blocks icon in the left panel. And here you can basically install what you need. Here you can look for extensions like Code Runner, Code Spell Checker, and a lot more. And if you want to just start coding immediately, at the top, just head over and click on File, then click on New Text File. So here you can start typing your code. And the best way to start your code is by first choosing what coding language you want to use. And to do that, click on File and save your file as. And here for the type, choose if you want to code on C, C++, C Sharp, or Java, or HTML, depending on the language you want. Once done coding, just click on the Run button that looks like a play icon for you to be able to see the output of your code. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!